Crispy okra fries. You won't believe these were made in the air fryer. To start off with, we need to prep our okra, so you want to cut off the stems and then cut the okra into quarters. Now let's create the most flavoursome okra fries. In a large bowl, add your okra and then add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, followed by 1 tablespoon of rice flour. We need to season this well with salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, ground cumin, garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of ground green chili and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, along with some amla powder. To this, add juice of half a lemon and half a tablespoon of sunflower oil. Give it all a good mix to make sure those okra fries are well coated with that lovely spice mix. We're now ready to put these into the air fryer. So place your okra into your air fryer basket and be careful not to overcrowd them too much because this will stop them from getting perfectly crispy. You can do it in 2 batches if you need to. Once you've added them in, just spray with a bit of oil spray and then place in the air fryer and air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. Give them a quick mix halfway through and then spray again with some oil spray. This will make sure that they're perfectly crispy on both sides. Golden crispy okra fries bursting with flavour. These are great to serve with your favourite chutneys. For more air fryer recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other videos.